Penang's Char Koay Teow Queen still hot. Yes. Penang's Char Koay Teow are world famous. And for decades the place to find the best has been at Lorong Selamat, Georgetown. 3 years ago we reviewed one stall here and it was considered priced too high. Recently we visited the same stall for an update, and guess what we discovered? That same stall is still there and business is still very hot. The same Char Koay Teow queen is still doing the frying herself one plate after another. And the queue is longer, including many tourists. It takes up to 45 minutes before you get your plate of her famous Keoy Teow. But why so popular? It's her big prawns. Yes, she uses only big fresh succulent prawns instead of those tiny winny ones seen in other stalls here. And for the first time since 3 years ago she has revised her pricing too. Now a plate starts from around 9. She knows her special ingredient Keoy Teow is one up against the rest here. Try a plate and you will know it is worth every penny. If you want something cheaper go somewhere else, but you will not experience the same quality.
2碗的烧。 话怎么搞？你也嘛在话回来就话唱。
Like they say, quality is remembered long after the price is forgotten.